Guys, so I will go in my games. Dito tayo. Which one? Cute color or painting ba yan? Cute color. Ay, hindi tayo dyan. Ito na lang tayo.
No.
Yes, guys. Color your world. Okay. Ay, gusto ko yung, ay, nawala yung strawberry. Wala yung strawberry.
Wala.
Beautiful tayo, guys. Uy, John.
Sana all that. Iba ang mga aeroplano ng kulay.
Ito tayo, guys. Ay, Amerika! Philippines ako eh. Pero ba yung ads na naman? What the freak? So, third one na muna. One. Ayun pa. One. Ano ba yan? Ayun pa. One. Number 2. Two.
Alam ko yan. Nagayaan ko yan.
Sorry guys, maingay kasi yung kuya ko at cousin ko. 3.
Its name is John Cena.
Most like cartoons in different countries.
What the? Ano ba yun? Please, quiet.
What the
Meron pa ba? Hindi ka talagang baltok ka. Ayun.
Most like cartoons
Boy!
in different countries.
Ay, baka ito na yung sa Philippines crown. The Smurfs. Dahil mo doon sa Philippines ibang crown.
Meron pa bang
Popo boy! Angry Birds.
Meron pa bang 3? Ang alam ko, wala na eh.
What the? Ito na.
Ayun na.
Ay, puka.
Meron pa ba?
Ako awat ko na yun. Awat ko na yun. Ayaw.
Ang hirap naman hanapin yung 3. Uy! Ay, akala ko 3 yun. Sabi na meron pa.
Please.
Kontek na lang.
Ay,
Dito
Pingo.
hanapin ko.
Alam mo yan? Pokemon at saka Doraemon. Yes!
Mamaya na muna tayo sa number 3 guys. So, number 4 na muna tayo.
Mas maganda doon sa Philippines. Goku, Saitama, Beyblade. No. Ito.
When the stars and chemistry don't disturb me.
The world's longest flight is
Meron pang 4?
takes almost 19 hours, but how fast would you do it if you flew in the dark star? So here we are flying all the way from Singapore to New York City in the dark
Ayoko
star.
na.
Sit back and enjoy the time lapse.
Ayoko niyan. Tingnan mo guys, ang ganda.
No.
Beautiful.
Space.
Happiness.
Sana all.
Relax. Hindi tayo dyan. Ayun, hinahanap kitang strawberry ka. Sila, ano ba yan?
Hour and a half. That's much better than the 19 hours on a regular
The freak? Yay! Number 3 na tayo. Ano ba yun? Naglalag. Kalag guys ang strawberry. Ayun pa guys. Meron pa ba? 5. Nasaan ka 5?
Yung learner ng
Meron pang
project ng rot ng
kalag dito guys. 6. 1.
what the
Ayun.
noy. Diyan yun.
7.
Stingray. Niya na naman ba? Natin ko yan. Paano daw yan? Real life niya pero naging niya
8.
GTA 5 no. Galing no.
Ano? Oops. Meron pa. Nasaan to? Meron pa ba? Meron pa ba? Yes, ito. Ayun pa guys. Yay! 9 na.
Galing no. Galing pala.
Super interesting.
So a Red Bull pilot did this. Let's replicate it. Here are the Burj Al Arab helipad we buy. This is the same helipad they used in the video. We're in the same plane, and I even got a Red Bull livery for this. I also tried to set the weather to be as similar as possible. Let's see what happens. Here we go. First try. Second try. I don't even know what try this is now. Oh!
Alright, buddy, this is my first time on the hideout, so wish me luck. Here I
10.
go. Yeah, you got it, man.
Walang 9. Ay? Huh?
Oh, man, I totally forgot to tell them that this is not a swimming pool, and in fact, a giant plate of reinforced steel.
Tabo niya.